Before we move on to the actual lessons, I want to make sure you download these supplemental resources. There will be a zip file in this lesson that you can download and open up. Typically on a Mac or PC, you can just double click it or right click and choose to open. Within that folder, you will see a few different files and folders. One is the Premiere Pro course project file. This is the Premiere Pro file that we will be following along with. And then there are subfolders for audio and videos. So in the audio, you will have a few folders for sound effects, music, a file for talking head audio, and then under videos, an assortment of video clips that you can practice working with. And what I've actually created is a sort of fake promotional style video. I'll play through it here so you can see it at least. This is, I'm really into baking sourdough bread. And so this is the project that we're going to be creating through this class. And a lot of the techniques and things that you'll learn while editing this video will help you and give you a great understanding of how to edit your own videos in Premiere Pro. And then from there, I'll have special bonus lessons and things that cover different topics or things that I didn't get to while creating this video. But this is something that you might see on social media. It could be a promotion for a company or just all the types of things that you'll learn from working on this project will get you started with Premiere Pro. So everything you need is in the folder, so make sure you download and unzip that before we move on to the next lesson. See ya.